Okay, I'm gonna start recording again because speaking of which, we're gonna, so I'll show you guys. Is there anything new do we need to give to that? Okay. I might bring, what was it? The cannon with me. So you might need to shoot the pot with that. Genius, maybe. But when the cannon keeps falling when I hit it with something, but hope it doesn't fall today. Okay, we're not gonna launch because we can't be bothered. Okay, let's go. Right there, the green thing is my last video, how we get the harpoon. It is this harpoon, it looks really sick. It has a trail as well. Okay. I'm pointing down, hello. I'm pointing here. Okay. Really weird. Okay. Scan fix. Click on the cannon, please. Cannon. Wait. Which one is it? Is it? Wait. No way. Wait. This was from last Halloween, isn't it? This guy is still here. Okay. Oh. That's sick. Oh. Wait. I have an idea, guys. What? Wait, oh, that looks sick. Red. Like one of the worst colors or something. Here we go. But guy. No. Accident. Come on. Stupid jet. It's like so fast. I don't want you to go fast. I wish they slowed their speed. Okay, hit the pot. Okay, that did nothing. Wait, 1 sec. Okay, stop. What if we? Oh, my stuff is still there. Yes. What do we do now? Nothing? Should we, it's nothing, so, time to go bald. I have no hair. Bacon hair. Wait, it's gonna do something. No? Guess I stand on the right one, I guess. What do we do if I stand on this? Nothing? Okay, what if we go down? Find something down? Why just levitating? Oh. Ow, no, I don't want to die. I want to check this out. Okay. Guess that was nothing. Should we... If you guys haven't watched my previous video right now, it's like a really cool. They actually turned it red so that you're using it, and it makes like a yellow trail. It's called the Dragon Harpoon. I'll see you guys later. Wait, let's see. Okay, blah blah blah. Look, okay, so this is the harpoon right here. Right there, I'm gonna use it for trolling. Okay, yeah, sick. Okay, I'll see you guys later, bye.